when you talk to different types of people, they will be offering different types of opportunities. So they called it opportunities, okay? So, positive day, G-Livers. This is Dr. GGD Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang Friday afternoon sa lahat ng mga G-Livers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc GG Sunga. Alright, so lahat ng gusto magpa-quote sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to advertise your business or your own YouTube channel, mag-message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. GGD Sunga. Okay, so sa lahat ng mga taga-Bataan, Pampanga, Olonga po, yan. You can meet me every lunch break. Pwede pala sa Starbucks and after office. Okay, kasi maraming nagugulat na taga-Bataan pala ako. So, I'm from Bataan, yeah. I'm a principal sa Asia Pacific College of Advanced Studies, yan. Alright, so okay, so marami nagtatanong sa atin. By the way, I'm with my sister from US, Kathleen from Bataan. Ay, my God! Okay, ano na ako? And of course, Julene. Hi, Julene.
Hello.
Alright, so we're back. Nagano tayo, marami na masyado memory natin. Okay, so naka-ID pa tayo, Asia Pacific College of Advanced Studies. So we're still accepting enrollees from preschool. Yeah. Pwede pa rin to preschool, elementary, junior high school, senior high school, and college. So, I'm the Dean of the College of Education. So, enroll na kayo. Kasi pag galing ka ng APCAS, iba ka. Eduk, iba ka. Alright? Okay, so, ano ba yung mga dapat unahin ng mga tao sa paligid-ligid? Okay. Ang dami nagtatanong sa atin. Ano ba yung dapat unahin, Doc? Life insurance, investment, kotse, bahay, negosyo, mag-travel, health insurance, ang dami, di ba? When you talk to different types of people, they will be offering different types of opportunities. So they called it opportunities, okay? Ano ba yung dapat mong unahin? Alin ba dito sa napakarami na yan, Doc G? Kanina lang, I was talking to someone. She asked me, Doc, ano bang kukunin ko? Life insurance or investment or anything? Okay? So, alright, so sasabihin ko sa inyo, the first three things na dapat mong unahin, okay? You might be surprised about this, but I think this is the proper sequence. The proper sequence of choosing all these insurances, investments, business, and everything. So, ano ba yung travel car? Ano ba yung dapat mong unahin? Okay? Kat, you listen. Julene, are you ready? Are you listening, Julene? Okay, so, which do you think, Julene, should be the first among what I have stated? Which do you think? Huh?
Like, they were life insurance, investment.
Which do you think should be the first?
Life insurance.
Life insurance. Kat, what do you think?
Car!
Car. What do you think? What do you think?
A house,
A house, of course. Because you're a mother. But because I am not a mother, okay, I'm still single. This is my number, 0939-525-311. Okay.
Looking for.
Alright. So, ang unang-una mong dapat unahin, okay? You are not expecting this. It's not life insurance. It's not investment, okay? It's not health card. It's not anything, okay? The first one is business. Start with business, okay? Because if you have business, you launch business, okay? Then, medyo pumatok ang negosyo mo, okay? You earn enough money, so it's easy for you to buy another to start your insurance. Alam mo, kaya maraming nagve-venture into insurance, they're getting insurance or investment, hindi nila natutuloy-tuloy because they don't have the means. Because a business will give you a means, okay? A means to sustain all your needs, to get all, you know, what you want, to travel, to buy your house, to buy your car, di ba? So, business talaga. Yan ang unang-una, okay? Because lahat ng to, outside business are all expenses. Don't you realize that? You'll be spending for life insurance, you'll be spending for investment, you'll be spending for travel, you'll be spending for house and let. Okay? Where are you going to get that money? From your salary? That can be, okay? Yun yung tinatawag na nung ka na magsimulang mag-budget, magtipid. Ayaw nga natin yon. Di ba, G-Libers, ayaw ko nga kayong nagbabudget, nagtitipid, okay? So, para hindi mo gawin yan, kailangan magnegosyo ka. You add additional source of income by launching your small business. What are the business opportunities? Ang dami. Sabi ko nga, one of the things that you should not be missing is the e-commerce business opportunity na nandyan lang sa paligid, nakakaunti lang puhunan. And tomorrow, alam nyo ba, tomorrow, okay, yung aking team, mabubuo kami, finally, yay, palakpakan, palakpak, okay, so, me and my team will meet our clients for the turnover of her dropshipping business. Another palakpak, okay. We'll be meeting her sa SM North, sa Starbucks Towers. Pinili yan ng aming COO, Ma'am Joyce. Hi, Ma'am Joyce. So, diyan kami mag-meet. We'll be meeting our client. So, turnover ng kanyang business. Okay? Dropshipping business. Alright? You can start that. Okay? You can start any online business. Ang dami. Ang e-commerce kasi, you know, it's one of the businesses that you don't need much money, you know, to start it. You don't need physical store. You don't even need someone, or you just need one person to run it, to maintain it. Okay? And also, Doc, ano pa ba? Paano pa magkaka-business? If you don't have the technical skill, you don't have the money, but you have the idea, try to have business partner. Find someone who can help you, na meron siyang technical skill, meron siyang time, di ba? Meron siyang pera. Ikaw, sagot mo lang idea, di ba? Alam niyo, yan ang sagot ko lang sa mga business partner ko. Ang sagot ko lang idea, alright? Kahapon, natagdagan na naman tayo ng isang business partner. Mamaya, madidiscover nyo na sino siya. I'll be making one video for that, alright? So, that's the first, okay? Start your own business. Yun ang una mong gawin. Kasi yun ang magbibigay sa'yo ng income, okay? Second, na dapat mong gawin, okay? After, business, what's next? Ano what's your guess, Julian? After business, what?
That life insurance.
Life insurance, cut.
Still the car.
Still the car? Dide? House pa rin? Okay, this is one. The second one, after mong magkaroon ng negosyo, kumita na yung negosyo mo, buy your own car! You know, before I don't advise it because that's a liability, right? But now, no, you should buy your own car. After driving my own car, I just realized, why did I not buy it earlier in my life? Okay, yeah, it's aside from the necessity, it's giving you freedom,
Yeah.
the confidence, you
Driving
know,
is freedom.
yeah, and you know, something like para kang, you know, you're above the 97%. if you when you're driving your own car, right? So branding kasi yan eh, di ba? You have your business, tapos meron ka ng kotse, so pwede ka naman ipag-meeting sa anong klase man tao, di ba? You can represent yourself well, kasi alam mo, confident ka na hindi ka dumating na naka-tricycle, hindi ka dumating na naka-jeep, hindi ka dumating na naka-bus, pawis-pawis ka, di ba? You arrive sa meeting place ng naka-kotse, alright? Buy your own car, okay? And the third, Julian, what should be the third? Guess.
I'm guessing not life insurance, so let's go with the house.
Okay, Kat.
Life insurance.
Life insurance.
It's still a house.
Still a house. Okay, then number 3. The third one that you should be doing or buying is travel. Dok, di nag-iba ka na talaga. Yeah, I rearranged this. Before, no, it's a travel. For me, traveling is my least priority. Then, back then, 2 years ago, but now it's my priority. And as a matter of fact, right, I'll be going to Cebu. Yan, palakpak! Okay? Cebu this August 24, 25, and 26. Hindi pala Cebu, Davao. Yan, sana ako mapunta. Okay, sa Davao tayo. Actually, alam nyo, meron nang nagpa-book for coaching, ha. I'll be going there, travel lang, relax lang, because siguro may kasamang business meeting. I'll be with my COO kasi gagawa kami ng isang book. Yun ang target ko. Kasi yung book kasi medyo intellectual eh. So I need silence, I need you know. Pero dahil may nagpa-book na, so palagay ko baka magka-seminar pa ako sa Davao. So sa lahat ng mga G-Livers natin taga Davao, okay? Meron na akong isang slot for business coaching. So pwede pa kayong humabol. Mahaba-haba ang time ko dyan. 3 days ako, 2 nights and 3 days, okay? And sa September, nasa Zamboanga tayo, okay? And October, nasa Macau and Hong Kong. Magpa-register na po kayo Hong Kong and Singapore. Sa lahat ng mga G-Leapers natin na umattend na seminar ko sa Hong Kong 2 years ago ata yun. So, eto na. Sinabi ko sa inyo, di ba? Babalikan ko kayo. Tatanungin natin ano na yun ang mga nagbago sa buhay natin, okay? Yung lahat ng mga nagiyakan pa nung after seminar ko, sabi ko, I want action, okay? So, titingnan natin ngayon yan. Yung exact date, tsaka yung venue natin to be announced. Pero, pwede na kayo mag-register, alright? Okay, so you travel. Doc G, bakit naman nag-travel ka naman? Ika-third channel ka siya, hindi ba gastos yan? Kaya nga, gastos siya. Kaya inuna ko ang business. Okay? Di ba sabi ko sa inyo, meron tayong 2 duties in life. One to become successful, and the other one to be happy. Okay? So make your business successful and make yourself happy by traveling. Okay? Because when you travel, you know, there are a lot of things that you will realize. You'll come to know the different cultures of the people. Okay? You'll be visiting the different places. And actually, that's the design of the Lord. Di ba? Yung design ni Lord sa atin eh.
It's like a
To enjoy life. Di ba? Ano yung creation niya sa Hong Kong, sa Singapore, sa Japan, ano yung creation niya, hindi mo makikita, di ba? Sayang naman ang pagka-create sa Grand Canyon, di ba? Makapunta kaya ako doon. Sa Grand Canyon, okay? So, yeah. So, okay, so you travel, alright? And number 4, ito na tayo, number 4, Julene!
Is it life insurance?
Life insurance.
Can I have the house?
Okay,
It's still the house.
Still the house, okay? Number 4 is investment.
Still wrong.
Still wrong, Julina. I'm so sorry. Because investment is your... It's actually a retirement plan. Your investment. That's why I place it at number 4. So, time for you now to plan for your retirement. Okay? Time to invest, but whatever you will be earning from your business. So, alam niyo yung ginagawa dyan ni Grant Cardone. If you are watching Grant Cardone, he's applying the 40% rule. So, 40% of his revenue from real estate investment, he's putting it in his investment. Okay, so you can follow the rule. So, in my case, 30% of all my income, how much is my income monthly, Kat? I don't know. My sister is here. She might be computing, you know, something like that. So, 30% of that, kaya kanina, Care was there, yung pamangkin ko, siya yung tagahatid ng mga, taga-collect, tagahatid sa mga bank. So, you ask Care about my money, okay?
I will.
Care fell. Hi, Care. Ikaw, Care, eh. Lahat, binabalita mo sa mga tiyahin mo, eh. Ikaw, isa ka rin, espiya, eh. Kaya, minsan gusto na kita si Santiin, eh. Pinagsabi mo yung earnings natin sa YouTube, eh. Warning ka na, ha? Anyway, so, you go to investment. So, where will you are going to put your investment? Of course, the 101% na hindi ka may scam, you go to IMG. Palakpak!
Yay.
So, that's International Marketing Group. So, if you want to invest there, alam mo maganda sa IMG, meron muna silang financial education, okay? And, kahit OFW ka, pwede kang mag-invest. Kasi there are other investment that you need to come here. Eh, paano? Nasa ibang bansa ka nga, di ba? But IMG, you know, is OFW friendly investment. Okay? So, just message me. Connect kita kay Ma'am Lore and Ma'am Joyce. Okay? Alright? Okay, next. So, investment. IMG tayo. Okay? Next. Julian? Still not giving up?
I'm gonna go with life insurance. Okay.
Life insurance?
Life insurance.
Ayan. House. Dok, di ba din binabanggit house? Hindi ka mong babahay. Hindi. Hindi ako iwalay sa pamilya ko. Ba't pa ako iwalay sa pamilya ko? Eh, saya-saya, di ba? Anyway, so, number, ano tayo? 5. Health insurance. Yan. So, natalo ka pa rin yun.
Are you trying?
You got to health insurance.
Oh.
Especially if you're already 40, you know, you should have one, okay? So, kasi ang healthy, you know, yung pagka-mated ka na kasi, dyan ang magsisimula, marami kang mararamdaman. And sometimes, one of the reasons that hinder you to have your checkup, okay, is wala kang pera, di ba? Pero if you have health insurance, na binayaran mo na in advance ngayon, so madali ka na magpa-check up, di ba? So, Doc G, ano ba yung nire-recommend mo? Again, Kaiser. Okay? So, IMG Kaiser, dyan tayo. Okay? Dorji, meron ka ba niyan? Yes, meron tayo niyan. So, almost a year na natin binabayaran. Meron ako sa company, pero I want to have my own. Okay? Salamat sa aming president. Meron akong health insurance na ginagamit ko talaga. Napalaking tulong. Okay? Alam nyo ngayon, I have my health insurance. It's not Kaiser, pero ano po siya, provided ng company. Every time magpapacheck up ako, punta lang kami sa, nakapili pa ako ng hospital. So, nandito na ako ngayon sa Clark Medical City. The last time na nagpa-opera tayo, so, ang sinagot na insurance ko is 100,000. And ngayon, halos monthly, nagpapacheck up tayo, nagpapacheck ng dugo, nagpapa-blood chem ba yun, or everything, okay? So, health insurance. Okay, so marami pa to kasunod. Bala ka ng pagsunod-sunodin niya. Anong gusto mong sunod-sunod? Nasa listahan ko, life insurance, Jolene, okay? That's number 6, okay? Life insurance, siguro idugso mo na yung house, idugso mo na yung kung anong gusto mo idugsong. Pero sa akin, yun yung top 5, negosyo, kotse, travel, investment, health card. Okay? Kasi alam mo, pag may negosyo, if you have your business, you don't need life insurance anymore because you have the capacity na mapubuhay ka na, you know, hindi na rin naman malakas ang iyak ng mga pamilya mo pag namatay ka kahit wala ka life insurance. Kasi you have business, you have investment. They will not be crying that loud, you know. So, ano lang, alam mo yung pamilyan mo pag namatay ka, pag ready ka, medyo yung iyak, banayad lang, anong tawag dito, moderate lang, konting hagulgul lang. Tapos pag naisip nila, ay, may pera siya, okay, I'm okay. So, something like that, okay? Alright, so yan ang ating arrangement. So, sa lahat naman gustong magsimula na ng kanilang negosyo, nang bumili ng kotse. Actually, alam nyo ba, I was surprised. 3 clients natin, nagpa-quote sa akin just for one reason. Gusto lang nila magkakotse. Imagine that. Di ba? Okay? So, kotse, travel, investment, health card. Alright? Okay, so please share this video sa lahat ng mga kaibigan natin, OFW, o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at tumulad na ating buhay. By the way, before I end this, Jolene, hi Jolene. She has her own YouTube channel. Ilalagay ko na lang ang link sa baba. Okay, so later, mamaya, meron na siyang first video. Tama ba, Jolene? Jolene, please invite them.
Yeah. Come watch my videos.
Yes.
And subscribe.
Yes.
Like them, comment.
Yeah. What's the name of your channel?
It's probably just my name, Jolene Gomez.
Jolene Gomez! Yeah, okay. So, yan, nilalagay na natin ang dyan sa gilid, ang kanilang channel. Sana magawa na mamaya. Wala pa naman binibenta na, di ba? It's okay because you know Bill Gates, he was selling his Microsoft. It was not yet done. Di ba? Ganun talaga. Wala ka pang YouTube channel, naghanap ka na ng subscribers, okay? Alright, so thank you very much. Nag-end ako, no? Thank you very much. Okay? Bye. See you tomorrow sa lahat ng magpapakode sa atin sa SM North. And sa Saturday, sa Sunday, nasa Robinsons, Pampanga naman tayo. Okay? Alright, so thank you very much, Delivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go!